Hi, I'm Liz Chermark, president of SmartFleet. My husband Andrew and I started this business together in 2008. Now, 15 years later, we're lucky enough to have many employees in sales, service, and marketing. My background is on the financial side of the business, where Andrew focuses more on sales and technology. Together, along with our employees, we make a great team and enjoy this family business.
Hi, this is Andrew Chermark, co-founder of SmartFleet. My wife Liz and I started this business many years ago in our basement, and I'm very humbled to say we now have customers in 46 states, tracking thousands and thousands of vehicles. What makes us different than our competitors is our personal one-on-one service. Here at SmartFleet, you'll hear a familiar voice. I'd like to thank all of our existing customers and welcome new customers to our family. You know what we say here at SmartFleet, you can't manage what you can't see.